Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone's password, pin or pattern when forgotten. Yes, you can do it. So let me show you how you can do it. Now let's get started. So before you can do that, let's check my pin. I've forgotten it, so it is 1995. It doesn't open. 1995 again. It doesn't open. 1995. So it doesn't open. It means I've forgotten my pin. So before you can do that, go to emergency section. In the emergency section, you see all these keys there, keypads there. Okay, so follow what I'm just teaching you now. Follow it, don't mix out any steps. Okay, so in the first place, you point *1 *#* 1995 *1010 *5432 *1#. Yes, this is the original pin you can use to unlock what phone. So let me explain things to you. The *#* is a default code that you have to punch, and you can see the 1995 is my pin that I know it is the pin I used, but I forgot it. Okay, so that is the the 1995. You can see 1010 is a default operational pin or code that has to match with forgotten what pin. Okay, so the operational code that is operating on unlocking or locking of pin is 10101, and you can see I have 5432. The 5432 means that if I place my pin, which I forgot, like 1995, for 2 consecutive times, it has to open. For 3 consecutive times, it has to open. For 4 consecutive times, it has to open. But for the 5th consecutive time, it has to lock. But here is the case: if I point 1995 for 5 consecutive times and it doesn't open, means my phone will not be able to unlock. Okay, so and you can see the one which is at the end of the code means that if I point this for 5 consecutive times, my system will lock. Okay, and when it comes to locking and unlocking of phones, we have 1 and 2, or 1 means locked and the 2 means unlocked. Let me explain it to you again. Let me punch it again. So you do it for the first time, then you press the call section. It will say this number is an emergency number. You just go again by following the same procedure. *#1995. 1995 is the pin that I've forgotten. So if your pin you've forgotten, the old pin you used but you've forgotten, you can use that. Maybe your own can maybe 2, 3, maybe something 4 pin. Okay, and the 10101 is the operational code that my pin has to operate on. Okay, and the 5432 is the consecutive section of unlocking or locking your phone. Okay, and the one at the end means that if I punch my 1955 for 5th consecutive time, it will lock. Okay, that is how it means. So you press it again, it doesn't go. Okay, so you are telling the system what to do. Okay, you are telling the system that if you punch your distance, it won't go. If you punch 1995, it doesn't unlock. So the next thing you have to do is, after punching this code, you just have to put your phone to flight mode. Okay, put your phone to flight mode or airplane mode. Okay, and after putting it to flight mode or airplane mode, the last step you have to do is to restart your phone. The reason why we put our phone to airplane mode is because airplane mode limits some of the system features of the phone, including making calls, radio, listening to radios and all those stuff. So airplane mode stops them from acting. Okay, and when we put the phone to airplane mode, we stop the system from detecting certain things. So here's the case: after restarting it, you go back to the emergency again and you punch the same code. Okay, you can see the first code you punched the 1995 was the code you used, but it doesn't unlock the phone. So after putting the phone to airplane mode and also restarting the phone, you come back and go to the emergency and you point the same code, but one thing that differs is what the ending. I've told you already that we have the ending 1 and the ending 2. So here you choose the ending 2, which means that if you point the 1995 against the operational code, which is 1010 for 5th consecutive time, 4th consecutive time, 3rd consecutive time, and 2nd consecutive time, it has to unlock. It has to unlock your phone for you. So this is the simplest way of unlocking any pin, okay, any pin on your phone. So guys, without talking much, I think this will be helpful for you. So if you've just missed or forgotten your pin or your password, you can follow these simple steps in order to unlock your phone anytime you need information on it, okay? But let me say this again: if you've not subscribed to the channel or to this channel, kindly do so. Subscribe to this channel, share for your friends to also get it, okay? And look for the better from us. Thank you very much. You can see as I open it, I point the 1995, it has opened. So this is how best I can help you to unlock your phone, okay? Thank you very much. But if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, like it, comment, and let me see your ideas concerning this video. Thank you very much.